Have you ever wondered how to make $10,000 a month without actively working? Yes, it's possible. Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where your money works for you while you kick back and relax. Passive income is money earned with minimal activity through a variety of ventures which require little daily effort or upkeep. The beauty of passive income is that it can lead to earning money round the clock, all the time, without any effort. It's money that just shows up in your bank account month and month again. Money that's making you richer and wealthier while you're sleeping, eating, or just lounging around watching your favorite Netflix series. Imagine the freedom that passive income could bring. You could travel, spend time with family, volunteer, or do activities you really enjoy, all while earning income. Sounds like a dream, right? Stay tuned as we unravel 5 passive income ideas that can make you $10,000 a month. The first passive income idea we're exploring is investing in real estate. Now, before you dismiss this as something out of your reach, let's delve deeper into the world of bricks and mortar. Real estate investment isn't just about buying a mansion on a hill. It's much more accessible and diverse than you might think. One of the most common ways to earn passive income through real estate is through rental income. This could be from residential properties like apartments or houses, or commercial properties like office buildings or retail spaces. Picture this. You own a property, you've got tenants paying you rent every month, and voila, you've got a steady stream of income. But what if you're not quite ready to be a landlord? Well, that's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come into play. REITs are companies that own or finance real estate, and investing in a REIT allows you to reap the benefits of real estate investment without dealing with the nitty-gritty of property management. You can buy shares of REITs just like you would with other stocks, and these companies typically pay out dividends to their shareholders. It's like owning a piece of a property portfolio without having to fix a leaky faucet. Now let's talk about the importance of location and market research. You've heard the saying, location, 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 right? Well, it rings true for a reason. The value of your real estate investment largely depends on its location. You need to consider factors such as the local economy, job market, and population growth trends. You'll need to think about factors like maintenance, tenant management, and the occasional unexpected expenses. But don't let that discourage you. Yes, it can be complex. But with due diligence, smart decisions, and a bit of patience, real estate can become a lucrative passive income stream. And remember, the road to wealth is paved with bricks, or in this case, brick houses. With smart decisions and patience, real estate can become a lucrative passive income stream. The second passive income idea is starting a blog. Now you might be thinking, how can a blog generate income? Well, there are several ways a blog can bring in a steady stream of income, and it all starts with the content you create. First, consider affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service within your blog posts, and when your readers click on these affiliate links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. The company gets a sale, and you get a piece of the pie. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your blog. Companies will pay you to write a blog post about their product or service, effectively turning your blog into an advertising platform. But remember, to maintain your readers' trust, it's crucial to disclose when a post is sponsored. Lastly, advertisements. They're the most straightforward way to earn money from a blog. You can sign up with advertising networks that will place ads on your blog, and you'll earn money every time a reader clicks on these ads. But let's get one thing straight. None of these monetization methods will work unless you have consistent, high-quality content. Your content is what attracts readers to your blog, and the more readers you have, the more potential income you can generate. So, how do you create high-quality content? It starts with understanding your audience. What are they interested in? What problems are they trying to solve? Once you've identified these, you can create content that provides value to your readers. And let's not forget about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO strategies help your blog posts rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential readers to find your blog. This includes using relevant keywords, creating engaging headlines, and linking to high-quality external sources. A blog can be a creative and enjoyable way to generate passive income. The third passive income idea is creating an online course. Now let's dive into the process of creating your very own course that could potentially rake in thousands every month. The first step is identifying a profitable niche. What is it that you're passionate about and have a knack for? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or perhaps you've mastered the art of baking sourdough bread. Whatever it is, there are likely people out there who want to learn from you. Conduct market research to ensure there's a demand for your expertise. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create engaging content. This is where your expertise really comes into play. Your content should be clear, informative, and engaging. Remember, the goal is not just to share your knowledge, but also to keep your students coming back for more. You can create video lectures, interactive quizzes, downloadable resources, and more. The key is to make the learning process as engaging and accessible as possible. Now, on to the third step, marketing your course. This is where platforms like Udemy and Coursera come in handy. These platforms have millions of users actively seeking to learn new skills. You can leverage their user base to get your course in front of the right people. But don't stop there. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and other marketing strategies to promote your course. One of the great things about creating an online course is that it's scalable. You create the course once, and it can be sold an unlimited number of times. Plus, you're not just earning money, you're also sharing your knowledge and skills with others, which can be incredibly rewarding. So start brainstorming ideas for your course today. With a well-crafted online course, your knowledge can earn you money. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to online learning, and you could be the next big thing in your niche. The fourth passive income idea is peer-to-peer lending. Now, this is a concept that's been gaining traction in the financial world. It's all about individuals lending to other individuals without the need for a traditional financial institution like a bank to act as an intermediary. It's a bit like playing the bank yourself, but with the potential to earn significantly more interest. There are several platforms that facilitate this kind of lending, including Lending Club and Prosper. These platforms connect borrowers with investors, that's you, who are willing to fund their loans. In return, you get to earn the interest that these loans generate over time. But what's the catch? Well, like all investments, peer-to-peer lending comes with its own risks. The biggest one is the risk of default. If a borrower fails to repay their loan, you could lose your investment. However, these platforms have measures in place to mitigate this risk, such as credit checks and diversified lending. The potential returns? They can be quite tempting. On average, investors can expect to earn anywhere from 5 to 9% annually on their investment. That's a lot better than what most savings accounts offer. So, is peer-to-peer lending for you? Well, if you're comfortable with a bit of risk and are looking for a way to earn a decent return on your money, it could be a worthy consideration. P2P lending can be a great way to earn passive income, but remember to do your research. The fifth and final passive income idea is investing in dividend stocks. So what are dividend stocks? Well, these are shares in a company that pays out a portion of its earnings to shareholders, usually in the form of cash. When you own dividend stocks, you're essentially getting paid for just owning them. Now, the beauty of dividend stocks is the potential for steady income. These payments can come quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, providing a regular stream of income that's separate from the stock's price. This means even if the stock's value dips, you're still earning dividends. But here's a word of caution. Don't just chase high yields, it's crucial to consider the company's overall health and its ability to sustain payouts. Remember, a high yield could be a sign of a struggling business. And that brings us to the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different sectors can help reduce risk. If one sector performs poorly, your other investments can help balance out your portfolio. So, how do you get started? Research is key. Look for companies with a history of steady dividend payouts and consider using a dividend reinvestment plan or DRIP to automatically reinvest your dividends, further fueling your passive income. Investing in dividend stocks can offer a steady stream of passive income. So, there you have it. 5 passive income ideas that could earn you $10,000 a month. We've journeyed through the world of real estate investment where property can turn into profit. We've seen the potential in starting a blog, a platform to share your passion and expertise while monetizing it. We've explored creating an online course, a way to educate others and earn from your knowledge. We've delved into peer-to-peer lending, a modern twist on traditional investment. And finally, we've discovered the power of dividend stocks, a classic yet effective passive income source. Each of these avenues holds immense potential, but the key is to find what resonates with you. Explore these ideas further, delve deeper, and take the first step. Remember, the key to successful passive income is patience, research, and diversification. So why wait? Start your passive income journey today.